Welcome guys, see me again from SmartSimj Graphics. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys something called comments. Okay, so in every programming language, I guess there are comments. They are very important when documenting your code. You give your code to someone, and he or she can read through and then can understand what the code is doing. Okay, it's a good practice in programming language. Programming. Okay, so from our last tutorial, I told you guys how to print text on the screen, and now I'm going to show you what comments are. Okay, so create a new project. Choose this one as before. So this is lesson 3. By the way, this is tutorial number 4, lesson 3, and then this is lesson 3 comments. Okay, let's create our file. Okay, so first things first, our main function. Please get used to this one, otherwise there's no like new. Okay, never mind that one. So a comment is just a line. We define a comment as a line which won't get executed. The compiler will ignore it when compiling your code. It's just a description of, maybe it could be the whole file, or a single line of code, or some blocks of code, or even your functions. Okay, it's just a description. The computer will ignore that. It's useful to other programmers, maybe you're sharing your code or doing whatever. Yeah, so that's how comments come in handy. Okay, so let's just do it. Let's just print text here. I will comment line later. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, so this is a normal line, this is a normal statement, and we have successfully printed out our comment in this line later. Okay, so let's write our second line of code. Okay, so I say this is the second line of our code. Okay, let's put that one again. Okay, as you can see here, all the lines are working perfect fine. So to write a comment, there are 2 ways. This inline comment, where it works on a single line of code, like maybe line 2 or line 3. Okay, so to write an inline comment, is you first start with // and then you can say this is a comment. Okay, and when you run this one, this statement is going to be ignored. We will have the same output as before. Okay. Okay, as you can see, there are no changes, but here you have why is not continue, because this is someone to read this one. Okay, so to make it more meaningful, let's say these 2 lines of code are doing something else. Okay, now if you can come to a point where you don't want to print the first one, so you can comment it by putting double slash. If you put at the end, it won't work. You won't comment, but this one won't get commented. Okay, but only that one will get commented, this one. Okay, okay, so if you want to comment this one, you can do like that. Okay, and that means this one is useless. Okay, so it only comments one line. Okay, and then there's the block comment, which we write like forward slash and then star, then double star, then forward slash again. Okay, so you put it inside double star. Okay, so say this is a book. Okay, these ones are used for big descriptions. Okay, maybe it's a paragraph of code, or you have commented several lines of code. Instead of slashes everywhere, you can use this one. Okay, let's run it for the last time. Okay, as you can see, only this one is getting printed out. This one has been grayed out, meaning that it's no longer recognized by the computer. It's being taken as just a description. Okay, so basically that's how we write comments, and that's how we use them. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and spread the news, get the code, so that you might see and help yourself practice more.